So I'm going to show you how to add an eSIM to your Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now, the eSIM, the way you add your eSIM mainly depends on how your provider sends it to you. Now, for most people, that's going to be a QR code like the one I have here. So this is a QR code, which I'm going to obscure partially for obvious reasons. So that's my QR code. And this is what I need to scan to set up my eSIM. Now, before you do that, you need to make sure you're connected to the internet, at least via Wi-Fi or maybe another SIM card that you might have. Just make sure you have internet connection because you're going to need to download the files onto the phone. And then now you want to go into settings. Let me just close everything up. So you go into settings. Under settings, tap on connections. And then under connections, go to SIM manager. And that's where you'll find the option to add eSIM. So tap on that. And then it's going to do some checks. And then it's going to ask you to choose how to add your eSIM. Like I said, for most people, that's going to be scanning a QR code. So once you tap on that, it's going to open up a QR code scanner. So basically, I'm going to scan the QR code here, of course, off camera. So as you scan the QR code, it's going to check and it's going to detect the SIM card. So as you can see, it says add that eSIM. And then now I can tap on add. And now it's going to start downloading the files necessary for that eSIM to work on my phone. So just be patient. Enter the SIM pin and your eSIM should now be ready. Now you can choose to customize your eSIMs. This is all stuff you can do later. So I can just tap on next, then say that I'm done. And now we have two SIM cards. This is a physical SIM card I entered, and this is the eSIM I've just added to the phone. So that is basically how to add an eSIM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.